Students, this is our next problem having been chosen from the same book Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler. Okay, Paul A. Tipler. As usual, we first come to its statement. Okay, an electron of rest energy 0.511 million electron volt, million meaning 10 to power 6, has a total energy of 5 million electron volt. Find its momentum in units of million electron volt over c, speed of light. Part B is find u over c. What is u over c? We know that u over c is speed parameter. Okay, in relativity it is called speed parameter. So dear students, what are given? Rest energy is given, total energy is given, and we have to find momentum in MeV over c and speed parameter u over c. Okay, as usual we first come to its now we come to its solution. Before starting our solution in a formal manner, we first discuss some snapshots which have been chosen from various books. Okay, first snapshot is from the university book, University Physics by Young Friedman. Okay, this is about Lorentz factor. We have discussed this snapshot several times in our previous video, so I am going to skip detail of this snapshot. Next snapshot is about total energy of a particle. We have also used this snapshot in our previous videos, so I am going to skip this snapshot. Third snapshot is about relation between momentum, total energy, and linear momentum and total energy. Okay, I am going to skip detail of this snapshot. Okay, now we come towards its solution in a formal manner. Part A, we are using the last snapshot. Okay, which snapshot? This snapshot, E square equal to P square C square plus MC square whole square. Okay, so E square is equal to PC whole square plus MC square whole square. Here E is given as 5 million electron volt. Okay, so in place of E we have used this value. We have not disturbed PC whole square. However, in place of MC square, that is rest energy, we have placed its alternate value. Okay, so we have used two values which were given in the statement, and we have not disturbed PC square. Now we will keep PC square on one side, and other value will be subtracted on other side, will be shifted on other side, and just a simplification, no rocket science. Okay, in this way we reach our momentum P equal to 4.97 million electron volt over C. Okay, now we move to next part B. Here we have taken this second last snapshot. Okay, second last snapshot, E equal to y gamma MC square, that is Lorentz factor into MC square. From here we keep Lorentz factor gamma on one side, and MC square will be divided on other side of the equality, and hence gamma is equal to E over MC square. We have both values of E and MC square, and we will put these two values, and our Lorentz factor gamma will become equal to 9.78. Okay, quite easy, quite simple. Now we solve other part. Now we know that gamma is equal to 1 over 1 minus u square over c square. Here we have value of gamma which we have calculated in previous step, and we know that c is a constant speed of light. Its value is taken as 3.0 or sometimes 2.998. Okay, and hence putting these two values, that is this is gamma, this is no, sorry dear students, we will not put value of c, because we have to find out speed parameter u over c. Okay, we will not put value of c, we will keep c as it is. Okay, so from here 1 minus u square over c square will be shifted to the other side of equality, and on the other side of equality it will not be divided, it will be multiplied. However, 9.78 which is in the numerator on left side will become in the denominator on other side of the equality after being shifted. Okay, now we are going to take square on both sides. When we take square on both sides, then it becomes 1 over 95.74. Okay, that is to say square of 9.78 is 95.74, and hence u square over c square, we will shift u square over c square on other side of equality, and hence this factor will be shifted to the other side of equality and it will become minus. Okay, so u square over c square will become 1 minus this will become equal to this, and now we will take under root on both sides, and hence our speed parameter u over c will become equal to 0.995. and this is the end of our problem, this is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.